What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're over Aerodrome Finance, or AERO, which is up 19.6% at 83 cents. We have a $287 million market cap with 346 million coins in circulation out of an infinite max supply. Our all-time high was 8 days ago. We're only down 0.9% from that all-time high. So we're going to be entering a pretty heavy resistance area. All-time highs are pretty powerful resistance areas, and we don't want to get rejected from those resistance areas because then it could turn into a double top. So we're to dissect the chart today and see what are the chances of us breaking through this all-time high and putting in a new all-time high, possibly by tomorrow. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on AERO. All right, everyone, let's get into AERO here. So AERO right now on the 4-hour chart, we currently are seeing some sort of rejection on the 4-hour. If we draw a horizontal line right here, one thing I want to point out is we have tested that 85 cents area out 3 different times now and gotten rejected once, twice, third time. So we don't want to see this put a lower low, and we don't want to come down here and put in a lower low because that would be extremely bearish. And you've been bullish in this coin since February 2000, or yeah, February 23rd. So we don't want to end that. But you do have something going for you guys here. You do have something going, which is the uptrend support. You have a very nice uptrend support area forming for you guys. So if we did see a third rejection from here, I think the lowest that we would go is probably 72, 74, and then possibly head back up to around 85 cents. I mean, you only test an area out so many times before you fall off the table, guys. So you better kick it up and break above the 85 cents. That's all I have to say. But indicators are pretty promising, guys. The MACD is bullish right here. We made a larger engulfing candle in the last 4 hours. The RSI is tailing up. We just put in a higher low. And then the WTX also put in a higher low. We currently are working on putting a higher high in. If we go to the day chart, there's not a whole lot of information because it's a rather new coin, but we can still use the day chart information to our advantage, which is the MACD is still bullish on the day chart, which is awesome. The RSI is tailing up, trying to put in a higher high. We just have to break. Did we break it? Yeah, look at that. We broke our downtrend resistance. So there you guys go. We broke our downtrend resistance on the day chart. But more often than not, what we're going to be looking for is this 4-hour chart. And if we do see a rejection right here, I would just assume that we'd be heading right down here and then rallying up from that point on. Now, if we did break above 85 cents, the next resistance would most likely be $1. That's a very psychological resistance area going from 2 digits to 3 digits. So if you draw from the top to the bottom right here, that's right before the 1, 2, 3, 6. So we could briefly break above $1 to about $1.09 and then come back down here to test that prior resistance flip support. So I think it's looking good, guys. I really do. I think AERO's about ready to break through and put in a new all-time high. It's looking promising. But remember, if we get rejected from 85, it's not the end of the world. I think we'll just head down to 74, 75, and then the next attempt might be the one. But you can see this candle currently fluctuating quite a bit while we're charting this. It's currently fluctuating. So they're trying to bust through it. They really are. This is your first time actually testing this area out with the body of the candle. You've only really ever tested it with wick. So you guys have the juice behind you to do it. There we go. Look at that. You guys are trying. You're trying. So just keep an eye on it, guys. 85 cents is the price to beat. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.